Hello, Scott Dar with CEF, here today to tell you about our most versatile and customizable cart in our product line. It's our multi-maker cart, and this cart has quickly become our most popular charging cart because it accommodates up to 36 Chromebooks or iPads. But the cart is so much more than just a charging cart. I'm going to come back to charging in a minute, but first I want to go over some of the standard features. As a teacher's podium, this cart is 39 inches high, it is 28 inches wide on the work surface, and 21 inches deep. It comes standard with 2 adjustable shelves and a 6 outlet strip that has a 20-foot cord. We have the option to add side folding shelves, either at a sitting height or at a standing height. Now, to get into some of the customization for this cart. This can be anything from a 3D printer cart, to an audio-visual cart with rack rails inside, to a charging cart. And we're going to get into some of that now. Of course, you have your locking front door. You can see we have a pull-out installed as one of the custom features in this cart for our 3D printer. We can easily remove the 3D printer and look at some of the other options. As we go through and look at the charging, you can have 10, 15, or 18 slots for charging in your carts. So as we look at our charging, we do all of that outside of the cart. We're going to bring our plug up here to the power strip in the top. We're going to bring our cord through the holes in the front. We're going to weave back inside and come back out through the front one more time. Slide that cart all the way over to the side. Now we flip the top after we have all our cords through the management system. They're going to be set at that length so the kids can't pull them out, and then up to the top. Our dividers are easily removable. They're on tension so that way they can come out. If you have a 10 slot charging box like we see here, you can easily take out a couple and add extra storage space for other items you'd like to lock up or charge within your cart. These cords in the charging boxes also have a 20-foot cord, just like the 6 outlet strip. With your charging boxes inside, again, we can accommodate up to 36 Chromebooks. Whether you have Chromebooks, or you have audiovisual or 3D printers, we have our vent gaps here on the back side, the top and bottom. You'll notice we have 3-inch industrial casters on the cart today. You can upgrade to 5-inch or 6-inch industrial casters as well. All of our casters are locking. For more information, visit us at CEF-Inc.com and follow us on social media.